condition for life. Organisms living on the ground or underground, in the water or on its surface, etc. All organisms depend on their surroundings for their needs like food, water, air, shelter. The surroundings which meets the needs of a particular organism is the best manner is the habitat of that organism. Example, pond is the habitat of royalu or prawns and fish. We find animals living on trees, in our houses, in different areas, in the ponds, in a small pool of water after rains and several other places. Above the surface, we find organisms like dragonfly, mayfly and kingfisher living above the surface, that is, hovering above the pond and then resting over a bamboo pole. In the pond, we find that different organisms live in different regions. This is due to some conditions like availability of different amount of food, air, light, etc. On the surface, organisms like snail, drilling beetle, pond skater live on the surface. There is plenty of food and air here, so fish usually come to the surface to feed easily the larvae of mayfly and dragonfly and the other above organisms because there is little protection for them. In the midwater, leech, mosquito larvae, fish and crabs also swim around this region. Pond margins. Pond margins have several grasses, frogs, cranes, crabs, etc. Fish usually lay eggs here. The bottom of the pond. The bottom of the pond has plants like hydrilla and animals like mussels, flatworms and larvae of some insects. Light is minimum here, but food in the form of dead and decaying matter is in plenty. Aquatic habitat. All habitats may be broadly grouped into terrestrial and aquatic. In all ponds, we can see both plants and animals. The plants that we can see in water are called aquatic plants. Animals are called aquatic animals. Aquatic habitat on earth are water tanks, pools that form from the rains, ponds, small garden pools, etc. Tree as a habitat. A plant or a tree as habitat. Tree is a place where different types of animals live. Birds, squirrels, ants, spiders, etc. In certain areas, a green velvety, especially in the rainy season, grow on the barks of the trees. Terrestrial habitats. All habitats on land are collectively known as terrestrial habitats. Plants and animals that live in different places on the land, like on trees, in our houses, fields, forests, etc., are said to be terrestrial habitats. Our house as a habitat. We live in houses that protect us from heat, cold and rain. We keep some animals and birds as pets in our houses. We also grow some plants for fruits and vegetables. Thus, we can say that our house is also a habitat. Desert habitats. Cactus, acacia, aloe vera plants do not need water like rose or jasmine plants. They are called desert plants. We can see camel in the desert. Desert plants and animals are situated in dry conditions and vast temperature difference, and so they are called desert habitats. Diversity of habitats. Habitats show the diversity of nature. Habitats are specific to the particular organisms living there. Birds often change habitat in search of better living conditions. For example, different kinds of birds come from long distances to Kolleru and Pulicat Lake of our state. Diversity of habitats in Andhra Pradesh. Animals like turtles and fish also move from one place to place. Some kinds of turtles move away from the coast of West Bengal and Orissa to the coast of Visakhapatnam.
మా వీడియో గనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.